Okay, NASDAQ, US100. This is the daily chart. We are still very much on the front side of the trend, and we're heading up in towards a potential resistance area with the levels marked. Now, if we zoom in, we've had this impulse correction, and we're in the realms of, let's have a look. We draw a fib on this. I like to draw the fib on the correction from bottom to top, and we're heading up to a confluence area of minus 272. I like that. I don't know why it works, but it seems to work. Um, these rallies tend to top out around that number. So I am in the process, therefore, of looking for a deceleration in this trend within this resistance area for the foreseeable future. That's in the daily outlook for a retest of the trend line. The current supports are, I'd argue, being up there and down here. Okay, so we could see some consolidation between those areas. Something like that, potentially. And that would signify that this trend is decelerating, and then we're looking for shorts after that. We need to see a break of this trend line. Joining the dots here. It's a broad brush trend line. Can't be exact with it. And looking for the market to peter out and then shorting opportunities on the daily chart. If we move in lower, presumably you're day trading this, so let's clean it up. So on the 4-hour chart, what have we got? We have strong impulse, W formation. I regard these as reversion patterns. The market likes to come back in and retest the neckline of the pattern. The neckline being this candle's top, or that area thereabouts. So we could be looking for a correction back into this area of support. We can mark that up by the top of that wick over there, or even this wick over here. Okay. $13.22.1. So if we're looking for this market to peter out and you're day trading, you come down onto the 15-minute chart to get an idea of what's going on. So we've come up, come down, we've come up, we've dropped lower sharply, started to creep back up. So what does that look like on a 5-minute chart? Choppy stuff. Not really something I want to get involved with. It's too choppy. But maybe on a much lower time, maybe even 30-second chart. Let's go to the 30-second. Get a better idea of what's going on. We've closed the gap, and we are potentially about to sell off towards the target. Move back out to the fifth 5 minutes, sorry, to get a look at the market structure. So we've got this topping pattern over here. This is all lower lows stuff, lower highs, not lower high, lower lows, lower highs. We've got this candle here that could be potential structure. Okay, so you might say, right, well, if we get a break of that low, the 5 minute, then my thesis is being reinforced for the short. Okay, there you go.